In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize in FigJam. First, head over to figma.com and log into your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your Figma home screen. From here, you want to work specifically in FigJam, which is Figma's whiteboard space for brainstorming and quick layouts. Click FigJam to open a new file, or simply choose one of your recent FigJam boards from the thumbnails if you've been working on something already. Once your FigJam board is open, select the element you want to resize. This could be a sticky note, a shape, an image, or a text box. Click it once to highlight it. You'll know it's selected when a bounding box appears around it. If clicking drags the canvas instead, that means the board is panning. Just release, click directly on the object, and you'll see the selection handles appear. With your element selected, look for the small handles on the corners of the bounding box. These are your resize controls. To resize, click and drag any corner inward to make the element smaller, or outward to make it larger. As you drag, you'll see the object scale in real time, along with subtle guides that help you keep things lined up with nearby content. If you want to keep the element's proportions consistent, for example to prevent a circle from turning into an oval, hold the Shift key while dragging a corner. This makes it easy to resize cleanly without distortion. You'll notice that FigJam gives you visual feedback while you resize, often showing measurements so you can gauge relative size at a glance. If the movement feels too coarse, zoom in for more precise control. And if your element is part of a group, resizing will affect the entire group. In that case, click once to select the group or double-click to dive in and select just the item you want before resizing. Keep in mind that different elements respond a bit differently. Sticky notes and shapes scale naturally as you resize them. Images will maintain clarity up to their imported resolution. Text boxes will change the width of the box, which may reflow the text inside, but it won't change the font size unless you adjust that separately later. That's all there is to it. Log in at figma.com, open a FigJam board, select an element, and drag a corner handle to resize. Practice a few times to build muscle memory, and you'll find it becomes second nature as you organize your ideas and tidy up your boards.